Today, we are going to draw Mr. Potato. Are you ready? Step 1. Let's draw a straight line. Now, make a soft M shape. He has a cool cowboy hat now. Under the hat, let's draw a big, bumpy potato shape. Time for the face. Let's make 2 tiny dots for his eyes. Under his eyes, let's draw a cool mustache and a smile. Let's draw thin lines for the arms and hands. Last step, draw straight lines and the oval shapes for his boots. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.